Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now.
We're back. What is up, guys? My name is Samuel. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today I have something a little special for you today. We did a vlog for New Year's meet. Just like to say thank you for all the support and all the views last year, and everything means a lot. We're out here with a new camera and we're gonna be filming some pretty amazing things this year. Some crazier events. Last year was awesome and phenomenal, and all the time spent, I can't even thank everyone right now, but it was amazing. Never thought I'd be doing this in my life, but onwards with the new video. Now, because this is a new camera, I'm still getting used to it, and I hope that this video is still good for you guys. And yeah, we're gonna start it off with some B-roll, so enjoy, and as always, stay savage, street animals. Alright, just got done filming some B-roll, and we're gonna go ahead and found a Jenga set, so we're gonna go ahead and take a block out. Yeah, every day we win them, boys. So these signature wheels are pretty cool, very different. Not gonna lie, this makes me kind of want some if I do a stance build again. If I do a stance build. These multi-piece wheels, and then there are some sick forged purple ones. I got a shot of over there. It's gold. They just glisten. What do we think, Logan?
I want wheels on my Mini Cooper.
Yeah, you want signature wheels on the Mini Cooper?
Might have to.
Yeah?
No, I think there's
God, that is. Yeah. I think we need to go find. I think we need to go walk around some more. Wow, that was beautiful. But I think there's something even more beautiful. The Subaru WRX Bug-Eye Wagon Rally. Look at this thing. We got all oh, Momo seats. Got the roof scoop. This thing's wild.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's walk around this way.
That's a Red Bull Mini Cooper, I think.
No way.
Yes, it is. No way.
All right, Logan, what'd you find?
A Red Bull Mini Cooper.
Yeah. I hope they have Red Bull inside. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It is a Red Bull Mini Cooper. What the fuck? Wow. This is awesome.
Is that a nice cold can?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sure, have a good one.
This is awesome. Oh my god. We got an E36 M3 sedan. Go get your caffeine addiction, buddy. Wow. Doesn't get any better. This is a great way to start off the year. I still hope this audio turns out somewhat good, otherwise I'm going to be disappointed. So we're kind of all over the place with this vlog, but right now we're walking because Supercar is going to leave, and Supercars leaving equal happiness. Right, Logan?
Yeah.
Right, Dan?
Okay.
Supercar equal happiness. Happiness. Come on, Brian, give it the sauce.
Yo, Logan, that rev from the Rivian, crazy. We should have brought earplugs. This is not the move. Yeah.
Dude, that thing was so fun.
I think we're in the best spot to watch people leave. I don't know. You're gonna see all these street animals. So I don't know if you remember from a previous vlog, Slingshot Chick.
She now has this beautiful R8 V10. Thing is amazing, all blacked out.
Well, it's been fun. Great way to start off the year, and we saw some pretty cool stuff, pretty cool cars. Can't complain. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for some more. And stay savage, you street animals.